Hello class, this is Mrs. Matos. How are you doing today? Today we're going to go over our phonics lesson number 143, okay? Before we get started into our lesson, we're going to go over our charts. So I need you to please follow along. If you can please stand up, push your chair in, all right? So that you're also able to echo what I'm saying, all right? I'm gonna bring them closer so that you guys can see them. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. All right, so we're going to go over charts 12 and 13. And asleep, all and also, all, be and because, be, and in enjoy, and, un in unbutton, un, in wrinkle, ud in could, ud, air in hair, air, in push, uff in enough, uff, in country, air in carry, air, ire in fire, ire. Give yourself a high five. Awesome job. Let's go over our other chart 13. Okay, ready? So full and beautiful, full, air and care, air, shun, 10 in mountain, 10, in pure, so ear in pure, ear. The word is pasture, so chur in pasture, chur, war in warm, war, shun in nation, shun, shun in missionary, shun. The word is television, so jeune in television, jeune, a in eight, in sailor, so the word is dollar, so r in dollar, r, and then in crystal, and then air in cherry, air. Great job, guys. All right, now our special sound class that we're going to talk today is going to be shun in television. All right, we're going to go over some words, so you guys, I need you to echo me. All right, occasion, we want to clap it out. We can practice doing our syllables as you're clapping those out. Okay, occasion. So 1, 2, 3 claps. There's 3 syllables. Good job. The next word is decision. So how many times did you clap? It's also 3 times. Good job. Next one is precision. So precision. 1, 2, 3. 3 claps. And then the last word is confusion. Okay, so confusion. So it's 3 syllables as well. Great job. Okay, now we're going to circle those special sounds. All right, make sure to follow along. All right, so I'm going to just bring you down to make sure you're able to see fine. All right, good job. I'll bring you a little more. Okay, so like I always tell you guys, make sure you have a paper, pencil, eraser, or your whiteboard and your marker ready to work alongside with me. All right. Okay, so the first special sound and the word occasion is S-I-O-N. Okay, so go ahead and make sure to circle this special sound. All right, so the next word is decision. What is our special sound? Okay, thinking cap on. All right, it's still going to be the same, which is the S-I-O-N. All right. The next word is precision, and it's also the same special sound. All right, and the last word is confusion. All right, make sure to circle the S-I-O-N. Give yourself a little star. Okay. All right, so that's our special sound for today. We have circled our special sounds. All right, the next thing that we need to do, class, is we're going to talk about contractions, and we're also going to talk about compound words. Let's do the compound words together, okay? So just a quick reminder or review. Compound word, class, is 2 little words that make up 1 word. All right, so let's look at what these words look like, see what we can come up with, okay? Make sure to follow along. All right. Okay, so we have the first word that we have here. Sorry, I got erased. I'm not sure why. The first word that I have is side, okay? So how can we change this word side into a compound word? All right? Do you have a word in mind that you can write down right now on your own to make it a compound word? Let me fix this D. I'm sorry. It got erased somehow. All right, so the word that I think about is sidewalk. All right, were you thinking about that one? You can nod your head if you were. Or if you have another one, you can go ahead and write it in. So two little words, right? One word, two words that make up one word, right? Okay, the next example class that I have is cup. All right, I can give you a hint. It's something that you guys really enjoy to eat. What do you think? What can we use here to make up a word with the word cup? All right, so I'll just let you think for a few seconds. Write it down as a compound word, and then let's see if we get the same answer, okay? So the next word that we can add here could be cake. All right, so cupcake. All right, good job. All right, so the next word that we have, class, is rain. All right, rain, what do you think? Write down a word that you think can be a compound word, and then we'll compare our answers. You can have more than one answer, okay? As long as it's a word that makes sense, then I think you should be fine. All right, so I'm thinking about rainfall, okay? Rainfall, all right? F-A-L-L. All right, and then the last word that we have, class, is corn. Okay, write down a word that you can think of that can be a compound word, all right, with the word corn. All right, I'll give you a few seconds, write it down. All right, and then I'm going to give you my answer of what I'm thinking of, okay? So I'm thinking about corn stalk. Corn stalk, all right? So again, two little words, one word, two words. One word, two words. One word, two words. Two little words that make up one full word. That is what a compound word is. So great job, guys. Okay. The other thing that we have to go over is contractions. All right? Contractions. So I'm going to give you a few examples and let's see what the answer is of this contraction that I give you. All right, you guys excited? Can you guys nod your head if you're excited? Yes? All right. Okay, so contractions. All right. So I'm going to give you, class, the word shield. Shield. And then on the right side, I will write some spaces so that you guys can come up with what this shield mean, or what is it similar to, or what is a contraction word that we came up with. All right, so we'll talk about it in a minute. Let me write these words down. Shield. All right. Shield, and then there's this apostrophe. All right, so it's going to be two words that we have taken. We have combined those words and we have made one word with an apostrophe, a shorter version of those two words, okay? Let's go to the next word. We will come up with our answers in a minute. All right, the next one is weir. Weir. Sorry, it's kind of hard to write like that. Apostrophe, and then you have your two spaces for your words. Make sure you guys are writing these down, okay? All right, let's just work on these for now. So the words that the abbreviated words are she will. All right, she will. All right, if you got it correct, give yourself a little smiley. good job. The next word is we're. Okay. Can you guys think about what goes here? Let me give you the answer is we are. Can you guys echo me? We are. All right. So she'll, she will. Can you guys echo me? She'll, she will. We're, we are. Okay, I have a couple more. Okay, we have couldn't. All right, couldn't. And then we have haven't. Haven't. Okay. So what do you guys think? All right, so let's go ahead and go over our answers. So the first one is going to be could not. Can you guys echo me? Could not. Could not. Great job. And then for haven't, it's going to be have not. Does that make sense? You can nod your head if it does. Have not. All right, give yourselves a star if you got it correct. And if you got it wrong, still give yourself a star. All right, and make sure to make your correction. All right, let's fix that. Okay, great job. So she'll is she will is abbreviated way of saying she will, right? We're, we are. Could not, which is couldn't. Have not, haven't. Okay. I have one more. I have one more for you. Do you guys want to have it? Want to write it down? Okay. It's won't. Won't. All right. So won't. Won't. Sorry, this needs to be angled so I can write better. Sorry. Okay, so won't. And what is our answer? Will not. If you were thinking about that, class, you are correct. Will not. All right, great job. Give yourself a little emoji. All right, awesome job. Okay, all right, so these are our contractions, okay? The last thing that we have to go over today, class, is dictation. All right, dictation is the favorite part of your lesson, right? You guys always used to enjoy this. So as I always tell you, dictation is really good because it helps you with spelling, it helps you think fast, right? And it also helps you with getting better at writing your words, right? So it's a good challenge for us. So let's go ahead and write. Make sure to be ready. These will go fast. Okay, so now for this type of dictation, class, this is when I tell you, write the special sound in the word your teacher says, okay? Does it mean you have to write the word? You can nod your head, no? You just have to write the special sound in the word your teacher says. Okay, let's start with the first one. All right, the first one that I need you to write is E in the word key. All right, E in key. Write it down. So I'm not going to show you the answers until you write them down, and then we will go through 3 of those and then go over the corrected answers, okay? So E in key. The next one is J in giant. J in giant. Okay, one more time, J in giant. And then the last one is E in brownie, all right? E in brownie. Okay. All right, are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Okay, the first special sound was E in the word key. All right, this is the only special sound that we needed. The next one is J in giant. All right, and then the third one is E in brownie. Okay, give yourselves a little nice flower, cool flower. If you got it correct, good job. Okay, dictation. We have 3 words that I need you to write. I will repeat it. It's going to go fast, as I always say, and then you need to make sure that you're writing them as you hear them. I'm going to give you 3 words, okay? This is a big challenge. Thinking caps on. Who's excited? Let's see. Let's see how we do. All right, let me erase this to make sure that we have more space here. All right. So I will not be writing the words down until I have said the 3 words, and then we will go over answers, all right? Are you ready? Okay, the first word that I need you to write is tramping. It's a long word. Tramping. I'll say it one more time. So break it down. Tramping. Okay, next word is a type of a fish. I'm giving you a hint, which is trout. All right, one more time. Trout. Okay, last time. Trout. Okay, sound it out. Break it down so that it makes sense and you can, I know if you break it down, you're like, oh, okay, I know what goes there. All right, so then the last word that I'm going to give you is match. Match. Okay, match. Okay, good job. Let's go over our answers. Ready? Okay, so I need you to be your own teacher. Okay, you guys are teachers for a second. You're going to be honest with yourselves, right? And you're going to check your own work, okay? If you get it wrong, all you have to do is you can scratch it out and write it correctly in the bottom, right? Or if you got it correct, give yourself some stars, all right? Ready? The first word was tramping, all right? I know it's a challenging word. Okay, so tramping. Check your work. The next word is trout. Trout. Okay, and then the last word is match. Okay, match. All right, awesome job. Give yourselves a star. That was fun, right? Okay, and like I always tell you, class, if you got them wrong, write them correctly so that you can just remember how to spell these words. Great job. Okay, so this is just for fun. Let's see if you can, this is just a quick question for you. See if you can come up with the answer. Are you guys ready? All right, so I'm thinking of a sound. So you're going to write the special sound that you think that I'm talking about, all right? That I'm thinking about. Let's see if you guys get this, okay? So I'm thinking of a sound that you might spray water on. I know it's a little challenging. Okay? So I only need the special sound in this word, okay? So if you, and let me just break it down a little bit more. If something is on fire, I'm sorry, oops, I gave you the answer. Okay, so let me just ask the question again and then we'll go over the answer. I'm thinking of a sound that you might spray water on. Okay, I'm sorry I gave you the answer. So the answer is fire, right? Fire. If you see a fire, then you should spray water or depending on how bad the fire is, you know, make sure, I'm not saying you should play with fire, so that's not what I mean. But it was just an example of, it was like a trick question to see if you guys came up with the special sound. The special sound that I needed to hear from you was ire in the word fire, but I gave you the answer, so I messed up. Sorry. Try again, Mrs. Matos. All right. Okay, guys. So that is all that I have for you guys. Okay, so I do want to encourage you guys. Please keep on practicing your ABCs in cursive and in print. All right. So do your ABCs in cursive, right? And then just print. Capitalize, lowercase, all of your letters. All right, guys. I believe that's all that we have for today. So thank you so much for watching. Can you guys give me a high five from far away? Bye. And I'll see you on Friday for our lunch with Mrs. Matos. That should be exciting, right? And then tomorrow morning, Bible with Mrs. Matos, all right? Have a blessed day. Bye.